Hey you guys, so I'm here and I'm going to be reviewing with you guys this KingCamp chair. And so I really like this one because you're going to be able to fit more than one person. As you can see, it does have a nice carrying handle and a drawstring bag. But this one's going to be really good whether you're camping, whether you're at a party, at a sporting event, pretty much for anything. Because like I said, you're going to be able to fit more than one person. A lot of times when we go places, my kids always want to sit with me, and so usually they end up overtaking my chair. And so I'm excited for this one because they're going to be able to sit next to me. It does have a nice strap right here that's just Velcro that helps hold it together. And you guys check it out, super easy to open. And look at that, opens up nice and wide. And you guys, it has a cup holder on both sides. All right, you guys, so I want to show you guys a little bit more about this. So all right, one person, you guys look at that. So much space on here, but I told you guys about the cup holder, which is really nice. But another thing I really like, I am a big wine person, and you guys check out right here. It actually has a wine holder, look at that your wine can go in. And it has it on both sides, so that way both people are gonna be able to sit here. And so whether you are sitting with your special someone right here, you guys are both gonna be able to have your own cup holder and your wine holder as well.